Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mr. Leroy, and welcome to Basic Skills 101. We're glad to have you with us today. The last lesson that I taught, we were discussing reviewing telling time on the clock. We were talking about coin values from 1 penny to 50-cent piece, which is a half a dollar. And today's lesson, we're also going to review discussing addition of single-digit numbers, as well as reviewing different COVID-19 ways to keep you safe, different COVID-19 protocol. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to review telling times on the clock. And what I want to do first, I want to review the different types of clocks, so to speak. The first clock that I have, this is called an analog clock. It has different hands on it. The shorter hand is the hour hand, which is the red hand, and the blue hand is the minute hand. And as you can see on the board, I have some different times on the board. Can anyone tell me what time number 1 is? Did you say 2:15? No, that is not 2:15. That is 3:15, which is the exact time that I have on the clock. As you notice, the hour hand is on the 3, and the minute hand is on the 3 as well, which states it is 3:15. All right, let's go to the second time. All right, can anyone tell me what this time is? Did you say 10:20? No, that is 11:20. Because if you notice, the minute hand is between the 11 and the 12, which states it's 11 o'clock. And the minute hand is exactly on the 4, which states for 20 after. And that states that it is 11:20. And that can be 11:20 a.m. or 11:20 p.m. But as you can see on the board, I have it as 11:20 a.m. All right. And then the third time I have illustrated on the board is 5:30. All right. Let's see here. Now, can anyone tell me if this is 5:30 or 4:30? Did you say this is 5:30? Well, no, actually I have it on 4:30 because the hour hand is in between the 4 and the 5. Now let me correct that and make it into 5:30. All right, now it is 5:30. The minute hand is exactly on the 6, which states it is 30 minutes after 5. And then the hour hand is in between the 5 and the 6, which states it is 5:30. All right. All right, let's go on to our next topic of discussion. We're going to discuss coin values on today. We're going to review coin values. And then we're going to review coin values from 1 penny to 50 cents, which is a half dollar. All right. A penny equals 1 cent, which is a penny. A nickel equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. A quarter equals 25 cents. And a half dollar equals 50 cents. All right. Now we're going to go on to number recognition. Number recognition. And I have some numbers on the board, and they go as follows. All right. This is number 5. This is number 10. This is number 15. And this is number 20. And as I stated in the previous lesson, we worked on counting by 5s from 5 to 100. And we also, when I discussed counting from 5s from 5 to 100, I clapped my hands, 5, 10, 15, 20. Now remember, you want to get into a good rhythm when you're counting and clapping with your hands, 5, 10, 15, 20. Make it fun, make it exciting. and have fun with it. All right? All right, in the next topic of discussion, we're going to be going over number recognition, but before I do that, I also want to review digital clock. What I have in my hand right here is a cell phone, and that has the digital time on there. The time currently states that it is 2:33 on the cell phone. And this is an example of a digital clock. All right. All right. Now we are going to go over the topic of today is addition of single-digit numbers. All right. Now I have some different single-digit problems on the board, single-digit addition problems on the board, and we're going to go over these on today. All right. Now the first one I have here is 5 plus 5. And as we look at this, can anyone tell me what 5 plus 5 is? Did you say 5 plus 5 is 10? Well, you are correct. All right. But this is how we get to it. As we look at the 5, we're just going to make some slash marks, and we're going to count out aloud as we go along here. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? And we're going to count these to make sure that our answer is correct. Okay? As you can see, I have 5 slash marks on for the first 5, and I have 5 slash marks for the second 5. And we're going to count these together. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay? And now we're going to go on to the second problem. It is 4 plus 2. Can anyone tell me what 4 plus 2 is? Did you say 4 plus 2 is 7? Well, let's take a look at that. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, we're going to look at 4, and we're going to make 4 slash marks or 4 tally marks. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the bottom number is 2, so we're going to make 2 marks. 1, 2. All right, and we're going to add these all up to see if it equals 7. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 actually equals 6. All right, so we're going to put a 6 right there. 4 plus 2 equals 6, not 7. All right? But now we're going to look at this. We're going to look at the next problem, 3 plus 4. Can anyone tell me what 3 plus 4 is? Did you say 3 plus 4 is 9? 3 plus 4 is 9? Well, let's see if we can come up with the answer on today. All right? As I look at the top number, we're gonna make 3 slash marks or tally marks. 1, 2, 3. All right. And we look at the bottom number in this problem. It says 4, so we're gonna make 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count these numbers. Let's count the tally marks all up and see what we come up with. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're going to write 7 right there. So 3, when we look at the problem, 3 plus 4 does not equal 9. 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, and we're going to look at this last problem on the end here. The last problem states that it is 6 plus 3. All right, can anyone tell me what 6 plus 3 is? Did you say 6 plus 3 is 9? Well, let's find out. Let's start making our tally marks. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the bottom number is 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're going to count the tally marks all together to see if we come up with the number 9. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. All right. Okay. Now, parents, I have some YouTube links that you can refer to For these lessons, for the lessons of single digit addition, you can go on centurytech.com for a single digit addition, and also equalityineducation.com, and that's in how to add single digit numbers. All right. Now, last but certainly not least, I'm going to review COVID-19 protocol. Now, COVID-19 is a serious pandemic that we're dealing with in our country right now. Now, remember, there's some things that you can do to stay safe. You want to wash your hands with warm water. All right, you want to wash your hands, and remember, sing a song, sing Happy Birthday for about 20 to 30 seconds. Wash your hands, make sure they're covered with soap and water, warm soap and water. All right, when you go out in public, make sure your face is covered with protective mask, protective covering to keep yourself and others and your loved ones safe. All right, and also remember to keep at least a 6-foot boundary between you and anyone else. That keeps yourself safe, it keeps others safe, and it provides protection for you and your loved ones and anyone that you encounter. Okay? I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Remember to refer to the links, the YouTube links, centurytech.com and equalityineducation.com for single digit addition number problems on today. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.